Hi guys, so today we'll be going to be reviewing Opera GX browser. It is mainly meant for gamers, but I know some people who use this for personal use. You can also use it, that is not a problem. I think this, I hope you can hear the sound of me clicking and some background noise because I've enabled it when I did it. You can set it as your default browser if you like, but no, I'm not doing it. So first we'll be going to be checking the GX control. Hot tabs killer slash tabs that does your resources. So RAM limiter, CPU. Oh my god, I'ma just turn on CPU limiter and just reduce it to 50. Now it cannot come down to 50, but let's try an intensive some intensive tasks. Okay, my mistake, I did that. So we'll be just going to be just seeing some videos. It is like a little bit of an intensive task. So yeah, let us just let us just get some tech videos. Yeah, you know what, we'll just do one random video and see the GX. Just stop. Okay, I'll just mute the sound so that no copyrights will come. Okay, now let's check down the GX control. It is just okay, it's going up, but it cannot go to this 50%. It is very intensive task, so yeah, let us try what happens in the RAM limiter. It is not that much is going on. I'ma just do it to the lowest because but for some reason the RAM doesn't exceed like this much. It loses very less. And if I do hard limit, means even if I do turn off hard limit, it might sometimes go up of this, but if I do hard limit, it means that it can never go up than that of this. And you can see low CPU limit, your browser speed might be affected. Let's do it to max. Let's see if it will increase up. No, it's still in the 36. Let's check if it is real time or something. And the best way is task manager to check Opera GX how much. 0% for making video. Yeah, Opera GX. I can say it is almost real time, but you can see it kind of over reports. It's like 14, it's like 44%, 41%, 25%. It may be kind of over reporting, but the bad news is that it's using a lot of my power usage. Yeah, okay, let me just turn off and just shoot it up to 50% because now I don't have. So yeah, now let's go and check down this GX cleaner. It is kind of like CC cleaner, but like it will like clear down your cache and all. So this is minimum, it will clear only cache. This is medium, which will do cache, cookies and tabs, and the max means it will clear down everything, every single thing possible. So if you just want to clean only cache, you can go for minimum and start cleaning. See, it has clean, but there are no cache. So yeah, there is something called player. You can whichever one you want. For example, you are always listening to YouTube music or Spotify, so you can just click one of them. I'll just click YouTube music and just wait for it to load up. And see, you got a song. We can just click on any song we want and it will play down. So then there is something called history, which is kinda useful if you want to see some history, some things. Then after that, extensions, you can download some extensions here. I have the Opera ad blocker now, but since it is not showing anything, so to get more of these, you have to go to get more extensions, and then it will lead you to the Opera extension, and whatever you want to download, you can download. For example, I want this zoom, so I'll just install this. You have to click on add to Opera. Nice rating, 4.1. Then after that, it's going to getting installed. Yeah, then it should be here somewhere. Extensions, where is that? Yeah, this is the extension, so you can just go. I don't know what this is doing, but yeah, I don't know what is happening. I think so. I don't know if it is working or not, but yeah, that is Opera GX browser. So bye guys.